Meet Rachel. She just loves spending quality time with her furry dog Buster. One day, Rachel noticed that Buster's daily activities were beginning to cause an unpleasant odor throughout her backyard. Thankfully, Rachel's neighbor informed her about the product Zeofill. He told her if Zeofill was applied before her new turf was installed, this problem would have never existed at all. Rather than apply the product herself, Rachel hired a turf installer to apply Zeofill throughout the yard. Once applied, the Zeofill granules quickly go to work, attracting and absorbing the urine. The smell is instantly removed. In no time, Rachel and Buster are back to enjoying the sunshine in their beautiful, clean backyard. For more information regarding Zeofill, please visit us at www.zeofill.com.